Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NFCU app for Navy Federal Credit Card account access step by step clearly. To download the NFCU app for Navy Federal Credit Card account access, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the App Store, type Navy Federal Credit Union. Look for the official Navy Federal Credit Union app. Ensure the app has the correct logo and is published by Navy Federal Credit Union. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Check the app's rating and reviews to confirm its reliability. Once you are ready, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation is complete, find the app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Navy Federal app icon to launch the application. If you are already a member, enter your login information. If you are a new user, follow the prompts to create an account. Once logged in, you will have access to your Navy Federal credit card account. Explore the features and manage your account with ease. That's it. You are now ready to use the NFCU app for your Navy Federal credit card account access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.